Welcome to another episode of Walk with Chappie. Now, my mom was waiting for me to get ready because she wants me to take a picture of a deer. It looks like it died. It's kind of in a strange position. It's got looks like the antlers are almost like sticking into the ground, and then it's on its side with its two legs up. Now, I don't like to take pictures of dead animals and post them online. That's just, I don't know, it's just not my cup of tea. So, but I am gonna help her because she's been having trouble walking where it kind of gets rugged because it's in a weird spot. It couldn't have gotten hit by a car. I don't know, it looks like maybe it ate some poison or maybe it ate some people food, because we all know that that's poison. And I've been learning about poisonous people food. They're saying that if you get like bread or cookies and it's real squishy, because real sugar is like is a grain or a crystal, but the fake sugar, the high fluorescer, the corn syrup shit, you'll find that it's real squishy. Did you take your picture, Mom?
Yep, I did.
You don't want me to take a picture?
Nope, I don't need to.
You don't need me to take a picture?
Nope. I just put my walking stick and walked over there to the edge of that field.
I'm filming with my selfie stick, Mother.
Oh.
So how do you think that the deer died?
Well, he wasn't shot or anything. There's nobody shooting anybody around here. So there is a disease going around
A disease?
for deer. Well, they're trying to get them vaccinated because there is something going around.
How do you vaccinate a deer?
Actually, they talked about that they could like put salt licks out. The deer will come over and they'll have some around the some stuff out that the deer will eat, and that's
Has a vaccination in it?
yeah. So they're not giving it shots or anything,
Oh.
and they're not.
Well, why can't we just lick salt instead of having to get a shot?
Okay, well you. Well, you got. Okay, so anyway, thanks for your helping me with my photo. And I am calling.
I don't know if you can see the deer. Oh, it's right
I have
there.
I've called the DNR, Department of Natural Resources in Michigan, yesterday, or last evening, and they said, well, they're closed for that time, and do it in the morning. There'll be one office they refer it to, and it'll be 9:30 that they open. I said, we're playing golf at 10 o'clock. So I said, you know, there was a disease for deer about 7 years ago, 6 years ago, and it's called blue tongue.
Blue tongue?
Blue tongue. And it was actually, I don't know why the tongue part, but anyway, I don't know if you remember if you were here, but there was one that was the deer, they go in a herd kind of thing, and they were walking. The one couldn't keep up and everything. And then it came to our spa back, and it would just lay down behind the spa. And then one day it needed water. It went to the back of our pond, and then I didn't see him. I walked back there, and the deer rolled over off the grass into the pond and drowned. So then that was the way he died. And so then
It was a deer?
yes,
A doe?
that was a doe.
A doe, a deer?
And this is
a female deer? This is a male because it has antlers.
Yes, it's a. So anyway, we then Dad took it and put it in a fire, where we throw stuff away. I forget.
The fire pit?
Fire, yeah. throw them away in the field. And the next day, the coyotes had eaten them.
Why do you think the coyotes don't want to eat this?
I don't know. And I told the DNR, I says, we've had problems with turkey vultures eating a
There
lot
was
of
a ton
stuff.
of turkey vultures up by the old Niles apple barn circling around. I don't
Oh,
know.
really? Well, they're incredible things. And they've mostly taken over
There it is.
the area. There used to be a lot more hawks, and now there's more big turkey vultures flying around. Although you do see,
They like to eat the roadkill.
well, they ate all the after, when we got the bubbler off, and we didn't keep the bubbler off on one winter, and then the fish that we stock, they just all ran out of oxygen because the ice has covered them. And so then
Fish need oxygen.
when the ice started flooding, I look outside, and there's all these ugly, ugly turkey vultures. And I didn't want to go out there because they look very dangerous and they're really ugly. And so then we just watched it. I thought, well, we're going to have a lot of bones to pick up. But guess what? They ate the bones too.
The turkey vultures ate bones?
All the dead fish.
Oh, they ate the dead fish?
Yeah.
And the bones?
With the bones. There wasn't any stuff on the ground.
They can't just, they have to fling the fish up in its mouth and swallow it whole, right?
Not from the ice.
Oh.
The pond was still partly frozen, mostly frozen. As soon as the water opened it all,
Well,
and they were there.
that thing's got tons
So that one, I saw it Tuesday
of
morning,
bugs on it.
and then I went, well, you can take it over there and see what's on there.
That's okay.
Okay, I'm gonna got my
Walking stick?
walking stick so that I don't fall again.
And you walk every day
And I walk every day. Now I walk with a walking stick.
with a walking stick?
Mostly. I've even gone on the street with it, along the side of the street. Because if you accidentally fall a little bit, the car will run over you with you. So I just do this to make sure. And when I was a walker, because I'm 88
degrees.
80 years old, and I broke my ankle. I fell on March 18th, 2024. And I thought, oh my gosh. And I'm in the sports and things, so I walk 3 miles a day. Play golf, play tennis, swim.
You don't swim in that pond, do you?
I decided that when we first put the pond in, it was made by, somebody plowing the dirt out. Anyway, I decided I'm smart. I'll be the first person to swim around that pond.
Oh, you're going to swim in that pond?
No, I did it once.
You did swim in that green?
Yeah, I just got in there and I had my clothes on and everything. I said, if I don't do it, I'll never do it. I don't do it now.
You were sober?
Yes, I was.
I went in there to save my friend Josh Bolt.
Really? You got in the pond?
Well, he fell through the ice.
Are you kidding me?
And I told him that. You don't remember when we came home and we were all covered in green crap?
No, I think I was traveling
with
my business.
Well, he fell in where he could walk, and he's like, save me, and I was like, you can walk. And then I went in there. But yeah, I was green for a week. How long were you green for?
I wasn't green.
After you got out of that pond?
It was we just put it in, We didn't have fish in it or anything.
Are you talking about the front,
that
pond?
No, I'm talking about the back pond.
Oh, well, she's talking about swimming in the other pond.
We have, Yeah.
And that one's got a
Some
bubbler.
people call it Lake Chapman.
It's got a little island on it.
And John named it on a page, says it's Chappie Lake.
Chappie Lake or Chappie Island in Chappie Land. Anyways, we're going to end it right here.